Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of recovering your Facebook account in two different scenarios. The first scenario is if you have access to your phone number or email but need to recover the password. The second scenario is if your account was hacked and the hacker changed both the phone number, recovery email, and password. Additionally, I'll address the issue of not having the no longer have access to this option on the recovery page. Let's get started. If you find yourself on the Facebook login page and the hacker has changed your details, such as phone number, email, and password, you can still recover your account. First, use another account, friends, or create a dummy account. Search for the hacked account and copy its profile link. Paste the link where the phone number is required, removing all characters, leaving only digits. Skip the password step and click on Forgot Password. This will lead you to a page where you can search by email or name. If you encounter issues with the no longer have access to this option, it might be due to clearing your browser cache and storage. Please clear your browser cache. Additionally, Facebook has specific conditions for account recovery. You should be connected to the same network, using the same device, and in the same location where you last logged in. If your device has changed, try to meet at least two of these conditions by being in the same area and using the same network. Once conditions are met, proceed to the next steps. Enter the name of the account that was hacked. Find your account. Click on WhatsApp number. Hacker don't have permission to use your WhatsApp. You can recover account by getting code from WhatsApp as well. If it still doesn't work, let me give you another method. Switch to a different browser. Search for Guided Help Facebook. And click on Hacked and Fake Accounts in the results. Follow the prompts to recover your hacked account. If the no longer have access to this option still doesn't appear, make sure you've met the specified conditions. Follow the steps I've outlined to navigate the recovery process successfully. Your account will be recovered. I'll keep you updated with any new information. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest videos. Check out other helpful videos, and I'll see you in the next one.